Alright, as you can see, the market has gone crazy yet again. Dow is down about 500 over points. That's on top of yesterday's drop of 800 points. Nasdaq is down about 1.4%. As for the S&P 500, it is down about 1.68%. So you can see from the weekly candles, the trend is likely to continue downwards with a downward continuation kind of pattern. And if the situation doesn't change in the next few hours, I think, or in the next 1 week, we are going to head probably downwards to these two blue lines here around the price of 3005 to 3006 region. So we have to see how it goes. But nevertheless, we should still manage our positions that we have. So we do have our three positions here, Disney, AMD, and Google. So you can see the delta has really burst to about above 90. So we're going to roll each of them in sequence back to a level where it's more manageable. Let's start off with Disney. So Disney, we have a 93 put. We're going to roll it forward a week. So you can see 7 days here. Disney is a 93 put. We shall roll it. Okay, we should be getting a credit whenever we roll it forward. Do bear that in mind. So let's try with 35 credit. Okay, it's still at 37. Okay, so let's go on to the second one. We shall continue with Google. For Google, it's pretty deep. I think we should move it about 2 weeks to get a more decent price. So we have a 99 put, January the 6th. Let's try 15 cents. Okay, now it's filled. So we are left with the last one, AMD. Similarly, we're going to roll it 2 weeks later, which will be the 6th of January at 74 strike. You can see December to January, 74 strike. Let's try 25 cents. Alright, filled at 29 cents. Okay, so you can see the delta has now dropped to between 80 to 90. That should be quite a healthy range going forward. So do bear in mind that even though the prices have dropped, by rolling our positions forward, we are always going to get a credit. So you can see that our cash balance is always going to rise. Yep. So let's monitor the positions over the coming weeks. I'll see you again.